Even being the most cautious and careful driver, you cannot control events outside of your vehicle. That's why, like many other road users, you may experience dangerous and erratic drivers and remain helpless. But now, there is something you can do about it. With an in-car camera or dash cam, you can get another set of two eyes to keep a video record of what occurred and when during your journey to identify dangerous drivers and avoid paying for their irresponsible actions. Well, several companies are offering dash cams. Are you confused about which one to choose? If yes, then trust Rove R2 4K dash cam. Today's most advanced and powerful 4K video car dash camera with new advanced features that can keep ahead of its competitors. The Rove R2 4K dash cam can record Ultra HD videos up to a resolution of 2160p, whereas its revolutionary Super Night Vision technology with a new advanced Sony Starvis sensor helps to get unmatched clear footage and images from the recording even in low light conditions. Moreover, you can have an undistorted video experience now with its new distortion correction algorithm feature. With its built-in Wi-Fi, you can use the Rove app to view and manage dashcam recordings instantly on your iOS and Android devices. By using the app, you can download the recorded 4K videos directly to your smartphone and then easily share these on social media with friends and family. Its built-in GPS enables you to view your driving route in the tracker on Google Maps and accurately records your driving locations and speed. Moreover, the revolutionary Rove R2 4K dashcam has state-of-the-art features.
Let me stay with you. You're not asking you just one night. I know about your life, but tell me 'cause we still have time. I can't say I can't do, but do you feel the same, don't you? I think of you every moment. I think of you every moment. I can't say I can't do, but do you feel the same, don't you? I think of you every moment. There's nobody else.
No, this is a device. It's called the Stinger. If you're ever in an accident, your seatbelt, you can't take it off for whatever reason, come undone. You need to cut it quickly. Go right across.
And that's pretty
now
impressive.
You're out, right? Your car's off the road, you're in water, your car is sinking and whatnot, but you need to bust the window. It's hard to break cars glass.
Yeah.
Unless you have one of these super easy advanced.
Wow.
That quickly. This is what I know about this device. You've got USB ports waiting there for you to charge your phone.
Exactly.
So this will always stay within your reach. And when you ever need something, it's going to be held within that spot. You always know where to grab to get it.